that I told you too many times, too many times. What's on my mind?
Okay, so basically, I was busy cleaning my table and the room and stuff like that because yesterday, which was 1st of August, I actually got the notice that tomorrow, which is like on 3rd of August, we'll be starting college. And I was like, no way. And we also need to get a lot of things. We need to get the uniform, we need to get some books and stuff like that they have said. They did tell to bring a notebook, so I also did some stationery shopping. I got myself some pens as well, and we need to get like, some 1 or 2 documents ready, and I think they're gonna start with the introduction tomorrow of everything. And then I had to also quickly make the cover page, my bullet journal cover page for the month of August. And I'm telling you, this time's bullet journal is so freaking unique. Like, I think this may have been one of the best ones. Yes, now you can continue watching the video and we're gonna know, and I'm gonna know after this how my first day of college is. So it's officially the first day of college. Okay, so I came back from my college, I freshened up, and now I'm gonna be having like my lunch because obviously I even oiled my hair a little bit. I want to oil it a little bit in the ends as well, and then I can have something for lunch. Okay. So I got myself some iced coffee and Maggie. This should definitely not be the habit of having this every day, but since today nothing was like prepared, so that is why Maggie. Iced coffee is as always the usual of for my day. So after having this, we have to start studying. So it's 4:05 and my aim is to start working by 4:15 because obviously every minute and every second of what goes now is really precious for me. So basically today's day was like pretty interesting. I mean, they all started with studying and I realized I need to study a lot from 11th grade chemistry as well because we have chemistry, we have botany, and we have biotechnology. And yes, I have taken my major course as biotechnology. Now the thing is, we also need to choose a minor and a major in between botany and chemistry, and that needs to be given some time as well. I bought some new books as well. This one, we have this one, and we have this one, this one. Okay, the thing is, the reason why I took my red colored notebook out is because I'm going to be starting chemistry and I need to start making notes. So basically I've divided my books into 2 parts. This is the notes. This book will always be kept at home. This is for all the extras that I learned in my studying, and also in relation to 11th chemistry I need to go a little detail in that as well, and also need to do some questions as well. I need to learn how to do some of the questions. The rest I need to start a little bit later because they haven't exactly started with anything much, and probably I'm not gonna even use one book from this because we also have computers, and computers, like, I don't think there's gonna be like a lot of notes or something. So my lecture notes are more than enough, and if anything needs to be added I can add in that itself. And I have made my 2 registers as well, which are like my lecture notes basically, and I make notes in not so good handwriting, and that's what I've thought. I want to make my first really good. I want my first to be better, which is why I made lecture notes, and I did not really think about how my handwriting is gonna be or anything. Starting from 4:15 to 5:15, I'm gonna be revising everything first, and then actually I'm gonna be starting to study till 5:15 itself, and then I'm gonna have a hair wash, kind of have a bath because I didn't have a bath, and it was quite humid and hot outside as well. So I'm quite sweaty right now. Let's get started with studying. So the thing is, right now I'm keeping this coffee in the fridge because we're gonna go and get our uniform stitched because we got it today and we need to stitch it.